Hi there, to close all running apps on your Samsung Galaxy A35, as a first step, go to your home screen and take a look at the bottom of the display. Here you should see three buttons with three lines, the square button and this arrow. So we need to tap on the three lines and we'll see the list of our recently opened apps. I suggest you to close them from time to time because it can prevent your phone from lagging, overloading, overheating, and so on. So to close them, we just need to swipe the app up and it would be closed. Let's try this out one more time. I'm gonna swipe it up and now it's gone. Swipe up again and again. And if you would like to close all at once, you just need to use this button, close all. So just tap it and everything will be closed. So let's check it. I'm gonna tap the three lines again. And as you can see, we got no recently used apps now. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.